I feel I don't think he's the right choice, because if that is the case, we will go back in time instead of going forward.
Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi ji, I don't think that they have got that space जो मोदी ने अपने लिए create करा है.
इवन जो अगेंस्ट है ना बीजेपी के, वो भी योगी के चक्कर में पॉजिटिव हो जाते हैं.
The main concern for me is I think I will have to stop eating non-vegetarian. I think that will be my main problem.
Noida was once a small sleeping satellite town closer to the national capital. But in the last 2 decades, this city has emerged not only as the corporate hub of North India, but also an investment destination of Uttar Pradesh. Now, BJP has been winning the last 2 elections from this constituency. What about this year? What do youngsters think? Not only that, Samajwadi Party and Congress are in alliance as far as Uttar Pradesh is concerned. Club that with Yogi Adityanath's rumored prime ministerial ambitions? Well, you have got a contest in place in Noida. My name is Abhinav Trivedi, ladies and gentlemen, and you are watching Votes Up, a show where Hindustan Times goes out on the streets of the country and talks to youngsters on politics and elections. So, welcome to Noida. Do you find the development work done by the BJP in the last 10 years in Noida?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think when it comes to youth and when it comes to employment, things have gone downhill. And I think us being a country which is developing, and we are in the top 5 GDP countries, right? So I feel we're not where we should be. We all know that the unemployment rate has gone severely high compared to what it was prior. So I don't think that the government is doing a good job with the employment opportunities.
Now, Yogi Adityanath, prime ministerial candidate in the future, if not this year, maybe next year or maybe 10 years from now. Are you happy with that choice? I mean, him being pitched as a prime minister?
I feel the current government, lot of focus has been, they do a governance of fear is what I feel. And there's a lot of fight between the society. That's what they try to do, right? Putting religious things out there, or they use that as an agenda to break people into groups. If you belong to a particular sect, you have an upper say or something like that. I don't believe that. I don't think he's the right choice, because if that is the case, we will go back in time instead of going forward, because we need someone who's more progressive, someone who understands the importance of unity instead of breaking people and using very small topics to which are basically of no significance.
Are you happy with the work done by the BJP over the last 10 years in the constituency of Noida?
Well, I would like to only speak about one thing, which is more about education, since I have a 11-year-old son, and I'm very, very fear about what kind of role BJP has been playing around. I'm really not happy, because infrastructure-wise, college or whatever school infrastructure, faculty-wise, everything is lacking around. कोई बोलता नहीं है. Everybody is so much blind with the Modi and BJP thing, prominently because we don't have any other opponent that strong.
Samajwadi Party and Congress are in alliance. They're fighting election. Then BSP is, of course, different as a third option. Who do you think is likely going to win this election, according to you?
They have all planned around. This is only BJP. There's nothing else. I think Congress is nowhere. Very prominent leader which they have, maybe अगर मैं सोनिया की बात करूँ, Sonia Gandhi ji and Rahul Gandhi ji, I don't think that they have got that space जो मोदी ने अपने लिए create करा है.
पिछले 5 साल में are you happy with the development work in Noida around?
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं तो बहुत हैप्पी, क्योंकि मैंने शिफ्ट इसलिए किया था क्योंकि मोदी सरकार थी, और मोदी सरकार के बाद योगी सरकार यहाँ पर थी, तो वो एक प्लस पॉइंट था, तो शिफ्ट इसलिए किया था, और अब तो काफ़ी अच्छी डेवलपमेंट हो गई है.
Okay, as a woman, do you feel safe in the...
Definitely more than Delhi.
More than Delhi?
हाँ.
And crime rate, do you think is in control?
I think 0%.
0% crime rate, okay. Now, Yogi Adityanath, do you think he will be the prime ministerial face of BJP after...
he is the first contender after Modi ji.
And you think it's absolutely okay? I mean...
Yeah. We are very happy. Even आप किससे पूछोगे तो योगी के नाम पे तो सब वोट देने को तैयार है. But even जो अगेंस्ट है ना बीजेपी के, वो भी योगी के चक्कर में पॉजिटिव हो जाते हैं.
अच्छा, एक आखिरी सवाल. Samajwadi Party and Congress, they're also BSP, they're also there. Who's your favorite candidate or party apart from BJP? Who is it?
जैसे केजरीवाल मेरे को अच्छा लगता है, मतलब इन द सेंस दिल्ली में भी उसने बहुत अच्छा ही काम किया है, बट स्टिल एक होता है ना सपोर्ट, मतलब मैं नोएडा में रहती हूँ, नोएडा में सेफ फील करती हूँ, जो आदित्यनाथ और बीजेपी की सरकार ने किया, उसके बाद मैं ऐसी कोई अपना वोट दूंगी.
I think the roads have been better, development with the development of expressways and highways. Because as a kid, whenever I would visit Noida, the only thing I would remember is traffic.
Okay.
So the car isn't moving.
So the infrastructure is better.
It's better, the roads and the railway.
इस बार मतलब एसपी और कांग्रेस एक साथ चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं और बीजेपी में मतलब महेश शर्मा फिर से ही इज द कैंडिडेट. आपको कौन लगता है इस बार चुनाव कौन जीतेगा और क्यों? नोएडा से.
नोएडा से अगर मैं बात करूँ तो मेरे को लगता है कि महेश शर्मा आएंगे दोबारा से.
अच्छा.
और
तीसरी बार आएंगे, मतलब 2 बार जीत चुके हैं.
बिल्कुल दोबारा मतलब तीसरी बार रिपीट करेंगे.
अच्छा. और क्यों लगता है आपको ऐसा?
अगर आप नोएडा देखेंगे तो क्लीननेस पर बात करूँ तो दिल्ली से भी बेटर है.
अच्छा.
साफ सफाई काफ़ी है.
हाँ.
क्राइम रेट भी काफ़ी कम है.
तो योगी आदित्यनाथ को बोला जा रहा है कि अगले प्राइम मिनिस्टरियल कैंडिडेट मोदी के बाद शायद वो हो जाएं. अभी नहीं, हो सकता है 10 साल मतलब 5 साल बाद अगले चुनाव में. आपका उसके बारे में क्या ओपिनियन है? आप उस चॉइस से खुश हैं या नहीं?
अगर ऐसा है तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात.
क्यों ऐसा लगता है आपको?
योगी जी की बात करूँ तो अगर आप देखेंगे यूपी में जो विकास हुआ है, आप यूपी के अलावा अगर दिल्ली में देखें या पंजाब में देखें या इवन हरियाणा में देखें, 5 साल के अंदर इतना ही डेवलपमेंट नहीं हुआ. यूपी में काफ़ी डेवलपमेंट हुआ है इन 5 सालों में. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात करें या मेडिकल्स की बात करें या पहले भू माफिया होता था, तो क्रिमिनल्स और क्राइम दोनों कम हुए हैं.
If Yogi Adityanath is being pitched, and like people say that he's being pitched as the next prime ministerial candidate, are you happy with that?
The main concern for me is I think I will have to stop eating non-vegetarian. That's the thing. I think that will be my main problem. Rest, I'm fine, I think.
The Samajwadi Party and Congress are coming together as an alliance. Now, what do you think of this electoral scenario? Do you think BJP will win? Who do you think will win Lok Sabha this year from Noida?
I think it's going to be BJP.
And why do you think so?
The reason is they have been influencing majority of people, and I feel like more than being a politician, I would see them being as good leaders. You see, there is a difference between a politician and becoming leader. That's what I see. It means if they are able to influence such a huge crowd, you know, whether it's for good or it's just to be stagnant, whatever you want, you know, but influencing such a huge amount of people, it takes boldness, you know, it takes a lot of courage.
अच्छा, पिछले 2 लोकसभा चुनाव से महेश शर्मा ही बीजेपी के हो रहे हैं कैंडिडेट और वो जीते भी हैं. इस साल भी वही है.
ऑप्शन है नहीं इसके अलावा कुछ भी.
अच्छा, नोएडा में नहीं या फिर
नोएडा में महेश शर्मा नहीं जीते थे, बीजेपी जीती. महेश शर्मा नहीं जीते थे, बीजेपी जीती.
हाँ वही बीजेपी. अच्छा,
सबका वो तो वोट है, मोदी जी की वोट है.
अच्छा, ये पूरा मोदी जी का वोट है, महेश शर्मा को कोई वोट नहीं है. ऐसा माना जा रहा है कि भाजपा में मोदी के बाद योगी आदित्यनाथ को प्राइम मिनिस्टरियल कैंडिडेट बनाने का है. इस साल नहीं, 29 में या फिर 34 में. आप लोगों को लगता है वो ठीक है या फिर नहीं?
बिल्कुल होना चाहिए.
क्यों लगता है आपको ठीक है वो?
क्राइम खत्म हुआ है उत्तर प्रदेश से.
As far as politics goes, the youngsters want to stand behind the incumbent BJP because of lack of strong, credible opposition option. At least that's the sense which we get on the ground. This is all from this episode of Votes Up. I, along with my team, shall see you on the ground in the next episode. Till then, bye-bye.